Excelitas uses advanced simulation techniques to optimize thermal, optical, mechanical and electrical performance of our flash systems from prototype to end user applications. These capabilities can support our customers in understanding how Excelitas solutions can outperform competition in their unique and challenging applications. Optical ray tracing simulates how the light transmits through the optical system, allowing engineers to optimize the energy output, optical uniformity, and system efficiency. In the image, we can see the energy distribution exiting a humm3 light guide. CFD allows us to model flow velocity, cooling effectiveness, and overall thermal management, allowing system optimization. In the image, we show thermal loading and fluid cooling of our flash lamp in a humm3 system. As seen in this example, we use a combination of FEA and ray tracing to optimize the processing temperature and heating uniformity from our humm3 systems. This image represents composite tape heating of a typical humm3 application. Optical simulation is also used for our BlueLight Flash disinfection applications. For this example of source pots, we have an array of pots, and what the optical simulation allows us to do is carefully position each one of our modules in the best possible places to disinfect the customer's products. Our simulations are validated to real-world measurements. In the image, the simulation closely matches the thermal camera measurement of light exiting the humm3 system, accurate models to predict real-world applications. We have the capabilities to accelerate next-generation composite manufacturing and blue light disinfection. Please contact us to learn more.